Hello trader. So without wasting any time, let's start trading. We will be trading on 1 minute chart. We will use strong support and resistances, and we will trade reversal. We will trade when the market is weak, and we will use rejection as a confirmation to trade. And if you don't know what is support and resistance, what is strong support and resistance, then you can look in the playlist section. You will find videos about the same. So let's start trading. I will be trading on 1 minute time frame. So first I will need to find a strong level. So we have two levels. One is here, another is here. Okay, we have a good trading opportunity here. Okay, let's see how this candle closes. This is the whole area of support. We will wait for this candle to close. Okay, it's getting rejection. Good sign for us. We have another intermediate level here, which we can use for trading. Okay, let's move to different chart. It is a strong level. I will draw an area. Okay, it's coming down. It gets rejection. It is a good sign. We will wait for this candle to close, as the last candle was strong, so I will not place the trade with the confirmation. I need this candle to close above as a weak candle. So let's wait. So now I can see that this candle is strong, weak candle. We can trade here with the confirmation. I will wait for the market to go down and gives us good confirmation. So I'm waiting. Okay, it does. I will wait for the confirmation. No. Yes, it's a confirmation. So I place the trade without any wait, and I have no doubt that this will be a winning trade from my side. And we missed a trade here. Yes, we missed a trade here, but no problem. This level is very strong, as it's working very good here. So need to wait. This is a strong candle, and we have a good winning trade here. So now we will find another trading opportunity. This last candle is very strong, so placing a call will be a foolish thing here, as the last candle is strong, showing that the sellers are strong and are dominating. Same story here. The last candle is strong. We need weak markets to trade. Trading on strong market will ultimately lead you to lose. So I will wait for this candle to close. It's gonna close in 12 seconds. Okay, it's a small candle now, not a weak candle, but so I will not place a trade even if we have a confirmation. I will move to different chart. Here we can have a good trading opportunity if if the market cross this level, if there is a breakout, it will be a good trading opportunity. Let me draw the whole area. Okay, so we have an area of resistance here. I will include this one, this wick as well. Okay, this level seems interesting. Now we have a confirmation, so I will place a call here. This wick, let me show you. These are the confirmation. The last candle was also showing that the buyers entered, and so we just need a confirmation as the level was not being broken, as you can see in this candle. So I place the trade as soon as we have the confirmation, and it's a good win. Yes, it's a win. We need to find the market weakness and we'll trade. And in this case, you can see the level was not being broken, but we cannot use this level as it's been used so many times. It's better to wait for the breakout than trade using it as a support, as it's an uptrend, so it will favor us as well. So I will wait for the market to cross this level as it's gonna give us more uh, better trading opportunity. We have another strong level here. This is another strong resistance, and this candle is gonna break this level. So okay, it's going high. So now it's a breakout, so now we can use this level as a support. We need to wait for the right time. Okay, till then I will find any trading opportunity if possible. Here we can also draw a resistance level and we can wait for a breakout. It's coming down. Okay, it hit the level, but it's so strong. I will not place any trade right now. I will wait for this candle to close. If this candle closes just above the level, I will trade a call. But now, okay, it closes above. It closes just above. It means it is now a support level and it will work. So I place the trade. We have the confirmation. The level was strong. We are going with the trend. This candle is a strong candle, but the reason I place the trade because we are not going against the trend, we are going with the trend. In condition when you are going against the trend, you need to wait for the market to get weak. And in this case, the last candle was strong, but the whole story is an uptrend. The level was strong, the market was not able to cross this level, So I place the trade. We have the rejection as well. So it's kind of getting rejection. It's having good rejection. You can see the market was not able to cross this level, but it's not going up because of the last candlestick, and it's a winning trade. As you can see, we have won this trade as well. And now you can place a call. Not sure. The candle reverses from the upper level as well. So we have the confirmation for this candle. So I place the trade for this. This candle have a chance of 80% to close as green. 20% it can reverse or close like here, as the candles have rejection from the above level. So now let's move to find any strong level in this chart. I can't see any strong level. In this chart, we have a strong level here, here, no. In this chart, it's a breakout, but same condition. This wick increases the area of support level, and it's getting bigger. These wick, if you don't know how to use these wick, there is a video in the playlist called fake mm, breakout. You can watch the video to understand how you can use these wicks to make your support or resistance areas. I will try to put the link in the description if possible. So in this condition, I do not have strong level, and there is no breakout till now. And about this candle, as I told you, the chances of this candle to go green are 80%. 20% are chances that the market will close here, and same thing happened here because the market have rejection from the above level as well. That's why I didn't place the trade for a call with this candle. I was in doubt because of the above rejection, so I didn't place. So I did not find any opportunity. Video is almost 13 minutes, so I will finish this video here and we'll make more videos in the coming time. So till then, keep trading. And one more thing, always follow the rules. Until and unless all the rules are fulfilled, don't trade. The rules are, if you are going with the trend, wait for a market to hit strong support level or resistance level. If you're going with the trend, you can trade with the rejection if the level is not being broken. But if you are going against the trend, you need to use extreme level. This is the first condition, that you need to use extreme level first. Second, you need to wait for the market to get weak, and third, you will trade with the rejection. When going against the trend, extreme levels are the only thing that you can use in order to be on a safer side. If you are going with the trend, you can use intermediate level, you can use extreme level as well. In that case, you just need the market to not cross the level and give you a rejection, then you can trade. So I have repeated the rules, so you can follow the rules, and I will finish this video here. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.